We're going to epoxy my garage floor. Top of the morning to you folks. Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. I'm very excited today because I'm doing something for the first time. I've never actually done it by myself. I've always had my painters do it. We're going to epoxy my garage floor. This is going to be pretty cool. It's when you see those flakes getting thrown on the floor. So first we got to clean out the garage. Second, we got to actually buff the garage, get a sander on it, make sure it's all nice and clean. We don't want any kind of like crap that's been there, maybe drywall mud or anything like that, or just dirt. You know, people have been walking in and out with mud. So we're going to get this entire garage cleaned out. I got my dad helping me today. He just flew back in from Montana for a little bit. So I was like, hey, come out, help me out. Let's do this. Let's figure it out on our own. Hey, this is a DIY channel, Nikos Property Show. Why not learn how to epoxy your own garage floor? So anyways, enough talking from me. Let's jump in the garage. Let's get it cleaned out and let's get this thing sanded down or buffed out, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to get straight to work. Alright y'all, so we got this entire thing sanded down, then you saw me vacuuming it. My dad did a great job sanding everything. So what I have right here is this stuff called Rust-Oleum. It's a clean and etch for concrete. So I'm gonna actually apply this, use my broomstick that I have, get everything nice and out here, all this dust. I mean, you can vacuum it all you want, but it's still gonna be like kind of loose and everything like that. So I'm gonna apply this, get that done pretty quickly, and then jump straight into that first coat. I'm actually gonna do 2 coats in this garage because I want it to be nice and like very vibrant when you pull in here and when you open this garage door, which is also going to be black. So anyways, let's get started on this. First time for everything. Let's do it. Alright y'all, so right now what I'm doing is getting all of the stuff that I got. I didn't go with like the little regular epoxy box that you can get at Home Depot or whatever, so I actually got an actual concrete and garage 1-part epoxy coating, and I got it to the color that I actually wanted to match my walls. My brother was like, yo, you should try that out, make it all like one flow. And then I got the little flakes that actually are white and black, so that's gonna look really darn good. Can't wait to see that on there. And then we also have right here a clear coat sealer, which isn't going to be the super shiny one. I got the low one because I didn't want it like super bright. It's already white in there. The walls are white. The house is white. I didn't want the sun to like shine. You're like, bam. So anyways, I got all this different stuff right here. I'm going to get that carried over there. We can start with this first coat of the epoxy. That's gonna look freaking phenomenal. Can't wait to see what that turns out to be. This is my first time doing it. This is how to do epoxy in your garage. So anyways, let's see what happens. First time for everything. Someone had to figure it out, so why not it be me? So anyways, let me get this stuff and I'll see you over in the garage. Alrighty, y'all, so as I told you, I matched this actually to the wall colors that I have in my garage and in my house. So it's time to pour this sucker out. You saw me mixing it up a little bit. I've got my roller here. I'm gonna do one coat first over it, let it get nice and good, dry out a little bit while I'll be working on something else. Then I'll come back and do the second coat and throw all those flakes on it like I'm rolling some dice. So let's get this poured out here. Alright, y'all, so I got this entire first coat done real quick. So as you can see, it's very spotty. As you're going around, you're like, whoa, dude, what did you do? I did it on purpose. So really, this first coat is acting as like that primer base, basically. So this second coat's gonna look really darn good. And then we add the flakes on top of that. That's gonna make it look phenomenal. So right now, as I'm doing the second coat, I'm waiting for it to dry first. There's some wind blowing, some freaking pieces of grass and stuff in here, which is okay. I'll get that off since this is the first coat. But once it dries for me and I can go walk on it, I'll work my way backwards, making sure that it looks really, really good. And I'm also throwing the flakes about every 4x4 feet and everything like that. So it is turning out great. Like I told you, first time ever doing epoxy on a garage floor. I'm getting paint all over my hands, trying to get little whatever that stuff is out of there. But it is okay. We'll be fine. We're going to get through it. Life goes on. We're going to make it look good. And at the end of the day, this garage is already looking beautiful. So as he walks a little bit backwards, I want y'all to get a full view of what this garage looks like. So just check out how amazing it just all came together. It looks very good so far. Can't wait to get that second paint of coat on it. And we're just going to keep progressing, baby. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. So it is time to actually get these decorative color chips. And I went with the white and black just to match the rest of my house. I've got this extra gallon of this epoxy right here, that coating, and it's going to be beautiful. Like I told you, there's a lot of spottiness going on right now, but we're going to put on a nice, good coat and then just put these flakes just like that. Bow, bow, like we're rolling dice, rolling 7s or 11s, all right? We're doing nothing but making money right here. So anyways, this is about to go down. First time doing it. Don't be judging me on this camera or on the back of your TV screen, computer screen, or smart device, okay? Whatever you're using out there. But do drop me a comment. Let me know how you think I'm doing, because I am trying to learn this whole process of everything. But anyways, a lot to get done right now, so let us get into the groove of things and see how this turns out. Alrighty, y'all, so first time I think turned out pretty darn good. I'm not even sure, to be honest. It doesn't look that great on camera, but in person it looks pretty darn great. So it's gonna actually dry out, and I think it'll look much better once we put that clear coat of that sealer on it. That's gonna make it look really amazing. It's gonna give it a nice little pop, not too much. I got the low shine one on purpose. I didn't want it to be way too bright in here. It is white. I got the white floors, the white and black flakes. I mean, this thing is literally as white and black of a house as you can get. So anyways, very happy with how this turned out. Can't wait for it to dry. I think we'll be able to knock this all out in one day. So we'll see what happens. Wait about an hour. I'll do some other stuff around the house. And I mean, look at me, like the first time for freaking doing something like this. Of course you get whatever this is all over you. So anyways, really happy with the progress. Let's wait a little bit and see if we can apply this sealer. Alrighty, y'all, so we got that clear coat on top of this, and that's gonna make it really, really stand out and be stronger over time. I've had it at my last house. That lasted for 3 years, and it was perfect condition when I sold that house as well. So really excited for this to be done. How to epoxy your garage floor, I didn't know it was gonna be this easy, honestly. It was a fun experience, something I really enjoyed doing, and now I know on the rest of my houses or whatever I end up doing, I know how to epoxy a garage floor. You gotta, start off by cleaning it really good, sand it down, get it down real good, then add that cleaner on top of it, which I did not know was freaking acid. I thought it was just some kind of cleaner, but I posted a quick clip on like TikTok and YouTube and everything, and people are like, bro, where the heck is your mask? Where are your glasses? That's acid. What are you doing? And so anyways, now I know that that's actually like muriatic acid. So did not know that. So thank you everybody for pointing that out. So as you're watching this video, do not judge me. Did not know that that's what that was. But anyways, really happy with it. I hope y'all like it. Let me know in the comments what you think on how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty darn good. But regardless, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you haven't yet, make sure you check me out on all social platforms, especially TikTok, because it's so easy to film, edit, and post on there. If you haven't yet, make sure you check out NikosPropertyShow.com. Grab you some merch, maybe a hat, a hoodie, a t-shirt, and use code Nico for 10% off your entire order. Without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.